respectable professors, kindly follow the formal steps to conduct a quiz. So you have to click on add questions. Once you add, so after that you have to go for the specific session, then select the subject, then you have to drag the radio group into the specific area, and then you have to go for the question where you have the multiple question. You should copy that question from your located area, then you will bring it into the edit button. Then after that, in the edit button, you will put it in the label, you will paste it in the label, and then you have the options for that in your computer. Whatever options you keep it in your computer, you will bring it into the option button. But remember that 2 times you have to paste the same option 2 times as we did it here. Then you will bring the same second option. Then after that, in the option number 2, you will paste the second option. Then if you have third option, so you will also copy the third option from your located area. Then the third options, once you copy, then you will paste it into the third option 2 times. For example, you have more options, so you will click add options. Like we have more options, so you will bring also the more options here and put it over here and 2 times paste it. And then options when finished, so you will click on close button. Once you finish the specific procedure, then you will click proceed, and in the proceed you have the question and the options. So the correct options you will choose and you will copy and paste it in the correct answer box. Then you will select that from which lecture you brought, you will click the specific lecture, and after that you will assign specific marks. Like I'm going to assign 1 mark. Then you will assign a specific time to your quiz question. Like I select only and only 0 minutes and 30, it means 30 seconds. Then you will click save button. Dear professor, if you have such options, like more than 1 option is correct, then you will drag the check group, and then you will go to the question, then you will copy the question and then you will paste it under the edit button, you will paste it in the label, and then you will go for the options and you will add options here. If you have like 4 options, so option 1 we add, so you will bring the options like this way. We will copy the option and put it again the same way 2 times. Then you will bring another option you will also put it over here and paste it 2 times. Then third option, and you will paste it 2 times. So you will add options by option. How many options do you have? Like we have here 4 options, so we will paste 4 options twice in the boxes. Then we will check, then we will uncheck the specific option and close it. If we have after performing the specific criteria, you will go for proceed, and then you will add the multiple answer. As we have more than 1 multiple answer, so you will go for if we have more than 1 multiple answer correct, so you will add both by adding comma in between them. So let's suppose as we added, so we just add 2 answers, but in between them we put comma, and then you will select the lecture, then you will go for the minutes, then you will go for the marks and save. After the specific procedure, you can go to the question bank, where the question bank will show you. After that, you will go to the specific session, then you will select the specific subject. Then the question bank will display you all the question which you already added with option, time, duration, and every correct answer. All the detail will be in front of you. If you want to delete it, you can also delete the question which you already added from your. Now dear professors, after that, how to conduct a quiz. So you will click conduct a quiz, then you will go to the session, then after the sessions you will go to the specific subject, and then you will go to the deadline. My dear professors, when you select the deadline, so remember you should not give more than 2 or 3 days deadline. Then from the question bank, you will select how many questions you want to display for the student, and from which lecture you want to add these questions, so that it becomes easy to understand for the student that from which lectures it will come. Then once you complete this procedure, you will give a title to the quiz, for example quiz 2, and then you will click the save button.